everyone, welcome back to another video from Winter Forest. Today let's continue our leetcode question. Today's question is called subsets. The description says you will be given a set of distinct integers. Names return all possible subsets. The power of set. The solution set must not contain duplicate subsets. Here the given input 1, 2, 3, and here the expected output subset. Be careful, this is the power of 3. So you need just and the number it is 0 also contain input also contain as a unique subset. Now let's just draw a diagram. He said give you distinct subset, but he actually didn't say it is in order. So if we receive this array, we first sort this first. So we definitely have in ordered array. And so we start with the input position. And then we go into, if we choose each element start with 1, then the first layer only have 1, then we have 3 possibility. And but then 1 could also do 1, 2, and 1, 3. For the 2, we cannot do 2, 1, because we are thinking as a duplicate. So for the 2, we only have 2, 3. And it means we only can go, if the array, we haven't reached the end, then we could go continue. Otherwise, for example, in 3, this already finished. For the 1, we actually still, for here, still could continue, have 1 and 2 and 3. For the code, we actually start with this looping. So each time we receive the index, we first add this input, then we go into looping this until this array. Once each time we go into the layer, we push this in, then we go into go back. Then we go to here. And since I haven't finished, we also will go. It also will go to the 1, 2, 3, and we'll go back. Also go back. Saying here, go here, then go back, then push it to here. Just let's write the code, duplicate this movement. Basically, we need to sort this array first, because he didn't say this given array, it is in ordered. And then we go in, this is the expected result, we just say, this is our expected result. We have the response and have the new array list. Then we write a help function and to push this result in, this is the result. And we actually also need this line. We go in each time we go into from the current index, looping to the end of this array. And we start with the 0 index. And the start, we actually need the array is input, also consider is input result. So this one will be pushed in as a current. If a current in here, this result pushed in, then continue to the research and add to the result. And afterwards, we're going to return the result. So this help, it is a void function. So we have a parent void help. We accept the original inter array and also index. Each layer you will start like from the index 1. From index 1 you go into looping, index 2, index 3 you go into looping it. and also the current result. And the one finally is our result. First time you come in the 0, this we did add this one, the empty array as one result. This current is what you pushed in the current result is the input. Yeah, you start at the input, then you start the index 0 position, start to add. You're going to check, because if grade, if I already greater than the index, and you start at 0, I already grade the index, and these are already in, you see, I will come back, push 1 and 3, then you go into this, means this 1, 2 already do, you don't do 1, 2 again, you do 1, 3. This for this code. Otherwise, you just add it. It's called a backtrace. Just remember in here, you could go and you loop it. Then you come back. You won't go here, then you come back. 1, 2, you won't add 1, 2 again. Instead, you go into 1, 3. And the 1, 3, how you could add it, and actually is in here, the help function going to add it. So I will plus 1, and then this second time we'll add the 1, 3. Same for, and since you go, how you go back, once you add, you finish, then you go into kind of the remove. So you could go backwards. That this code going to do. So you move to the end, then go back. And just run the test. See if I have a syntax issue. Yeah. Now 5, forgot the same. Forgot the semicolon. Yeah, it accepted. Now we could submit it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.